Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get iPhone emojis on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree and tap on grant. Now just tap on allow. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just scroll down and tap on see all. Now in the search bar, just search iOS emojis. Now from here, just download the iOS 18 emojis from here. Now just tap on download. Now just wait for a few seconds for the emoji pack to download. Now just tap on apply. Now from here, just tap on auto and tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on build. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just follow these steps. Now first of all, just install Samsung Sans. Now just tap on install zFile Manager. Now from here, just tap on Google Play Store and install this app on your smartphone. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on grant. Now just enable this toggle. Now once you have done that, now from here, just go back to the zFont app. Now from here, just install Samsung Sans and tap on settings. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now just tap on install. From here, just tap on done. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now the second step is to change the font style to Samsung Sans. Now from here, just select Samsung Sans. Now after that, just make sure that you have signed into your Samsung account within the settings app. Now as you can see, we have already signed into our Samsung account. Now just go back. Now the fourth step is to back up your settings data. Now just tap on it and tap on go to backup. Now from here, just select the settings app only. From here, just tap on backup now. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, we have backed up our settings data. Now just tap on done. Now from here, just go back. Now for the fifth step, just uninstall Samsung Sans and tap on OK. Now from here, just scroll down. Now from here, just install an official iOS 18 zFont and tap on install. Now just tap on done. Now from here, the next step is to change the font to default. Just tap on it and select default. Now the last step is to restore the settings data. Just tap on it and tap on go to restore. Now from here, just tap on your smartphone's name and tap on restore. Now just wait for a few seconds for your settings data to restore. Now once you have restored your settings data, just tap on done. Now from here, tap on later. Now just go to your home screen. Now let's see if we have changed our Samsung emojis to the iOS emojis. Just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed the Samsung emojis to the iOS emojis on our smartphone. Now if you have followed all the steps and if your emojis are not changed to the iOS emojis, just restart your smartphone and it will fix this issue. And this is how you can get iPhone emojis on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, Please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.